What if I told you that your risk of heart disease and cancer isn't just about genetics but childhood trauma? Recent studies reveal that over 67% of adults experienced at least one traumatic event as children. But first, let's explore why your brain never forgets those early experiences or trauma. Imagine a young child hiding under a bed, overwhelmed by chaos, feeling unsafe and neglected. Fast forward 30 years where that same person feels exhausted, constantly sick without understanding why. Studies show childhood trauma triples your risk of heart disease and lung cancer. Yet doctors rarely ask about it. Here's how toxic stress affects your body. It floods your system with cortisol, the danger hormone that rewires your brain. Over time, this persistent cortisol exposure weakens your immune system and even changes how your DNA is read. High doses of adversity during childhood affect brain structure, hormonal systems, and inflammation pathways. Trauma shrinks the decision-making prefrontal cortex and enlarges the panic-inducing amygdala. This means you might overreact to small stresses, feeling overwhelmed even when it's unnecessary. Trauma is measurable, similar to high cholesterol levels, and can predict health risks better than genetics alone. A simple 10-question test called the ACE score can predict your chances of heart disease and even suicide attempts. A score of 4 or higher makes you 12 times more likely to attempt suicide and 3.5 times more likely to develop heart disease. Think of your body like a tree. Trauma poisons the roots, affecting everything above ground. But here's the good news. Healing is possible starting with awareness of your trauma history. Begin by taking the ACE test. Learning your score gives you the power to change your health destiny. Daily deep breathing exercises can lower cortisol levels and reduce your stress response. Finding one supportive person in your life can cut the effects of trauma in half. When did you first realize that childhood experiences might still be shaping your health and feelings? The journey to healing is challenging but incredibly powerful. You can rewrite your story. If you found today's video eye-opening, hit like and share to spread awareness. Want more tips on reversing trauma damage? Comment heal below and stay tuned for our next video.